Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for Studio Ninja. Now, as always, I've got the best bonus pack for this. Now, the first bonus is the video production e-course. That's a 10-part e-course all about video production. I've got creating live video demonstrations. I've got video list builder. I've got video made easy, video marketing mastery, Instagram marketing, YouTube Studio, Auto Social Build, which is an app that lets you manage your social media, works with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Now, not only does it help you manage your social media, but it helps you live stream to Facebook. So it works perfectly with, obviously, Studio Ninja. Lets you auto post to Facebook, live stream to Instagram, auto post to Instagram, live stream to YouTube, and auto post to YouTube as well. There's also the Create Mobile Agency that allows you to create mobile apps. Plus there's a Create Mobile Agency reseller. Again, get the full reseller to that, so you get everything you need to resell that as your own. Social Enigma and the reseller package to that as well, so you get everything you need there, sales page and everything else as well. Then we've got the Improve Suite reseller, which is an app that allows you to, it kind of evaluates your visitors. You've got heat maps, things like that, and you've got the full resellers to that as well. So as you can see, it's an amazing bonus package for an amazing product. Now, on the rest of the video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump inside Studio Ninja so you can see what it's all about. Then I'm going to show you some of the templates, and I'm going to show you those in action as well. But remember, if you want my amazing bonus pack, which no one else is going to come close to, you must purchase through my link. So thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Hi guys, and welcome back. Now, this is inside Studio Ninja. Now, I said, the content in here it's a huge package. It's amazing how much they've included. I want to show you, just some of what you get. So, for example, these space ones look really nice, but let me just show you the full collection here. If you go down, drop down, you can see these are static ones. So you've got lots and lots of different ones here. Let's choose one. Seafront. Let's go with that one. Now, these are all static sets. As you can see here, you can put your own logo here. So this would be your own brand, promotion you would do, or something like that. So inside each one, just let me show you this, what you get inside each one. So you can download everything that's in here. You can see it high res, etc. And you can see ones that are kind of related to them as well. Let's go back to the Ninja. And these are virtual sets. So these are the video versions of them. So let's go to rooftop video. So let me show you this. These look really nice. As you can see here, nice, good backdrops. So if we go to this one, Rooftop 3. So as you can see here, inside this virtual studio background set, you will get both versions of the virtual set. So one with the green screen placement, so you'll get this one like this with the green screen in, so you can add your own green screen in, and one without. So you can still use the stock footage if you don't want to use it as a green screen. So you get kind of two uses of the stock footage. And there's also the HitFilm virtual set is also included in the package. Now, HitFilm is a free video software that they give you kind of a link to how to set up and everything else. So if you don't have any video editing software at all, and these packages are, they're able to be edited by most video softwares out there. So if you don't have one, then you can use HitFilm, which is included in the package. So it's a huge package. Let's just jump back to the Ninja library. So let's have a look here. Panoramic video. There's lots and lots of videos. See, each one has, quite a few different videos inside. So let me show you how some of those look. So as you can see, this one here looks very nice. It's got a nice panoramic video of, it looks like some kind of castle in the background. And you can see the same one, but kind of blurred out a little bit. So it's got like the bokeh background effect. So what you can do is obviously you can green screen that, add yourself in, and you can add your own call to action as well. So if you do anything for clients at all, these are perfect because you get the commercial license as well, so you can use all these with your clients as well. So that's an amazing extra that they have there as well. So there's tons and tons of different sets. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you some of these. So what I've done is I've added myself to these videos so you can see them kind of in action almost. Okay, so thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Okay guys, welcome back. As you can see on this first template, it has a backdrop of the ocean, and out at sea you can see the billboard with the OSM logo on there. So it's a very nice backdrop. As I said, there's lots and lots of different backdrops that you can utilize in Studio Ninja. Let me show you the next one. And as you can see on this one, I'm out in space. So this is really good as well. And as you can see, the billboard as well with the OSM logo on. Now, adding myself to these two kind of templates took literally seconds. So if you've got any video editing software, you can really utilize these, video backdrops and the static ones as well. I mean, you can use them with your own video marketing and your clients as well. So very, very well worth the money that they're charging. And don't forget, I've got a huge bonus as well with this. So make sure that you claim this and claim my bonus. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.